Ever pondered the idea of starting a YouTube channel for your business? A platform to showcase your products or services, create engaging content, and connect with a global audience? Well, the process is simpler than you may think. Let's delve into the steps involved in creating a YouTube channel for your business. First things first, you'll need a Google account. If you already have one, that's great. If not, you'll need to create a new one. Navigate to the Google account creation page and click Create an Account. You'll be presented with 3 options. For myself, to manage my business, and for my child. Select to manage my business. This will allow you to manage multiple channels from one account without revealing your personal information such as your name or email address. Next, you're going to choose a name for your YouTube channel. This step is crucial as it's how your audience will identify you. Make sure it's unique and represents your brand well. After confirming the availability of your chosen name, create a password and click Next. The following page will prompt you for a phone number and recovery email, both of which are optional. However, providing them can add an extra layer of security to your account. Once you have agreed to Google's terms and conditions, your Google account is all set up. Now, it's time to navigate to YouTube and create your channel. Click on your profile icon and select Create a Channel. Enter the name you've chosen for your channel and click Create Channel. Congratulations, you've just created your YouTube channel. But we're not done yet. In order to use features like custom thumbnails and live streaming, you'll need to verify your channel. To do this, click on your profile icon, select YouTube Studio, then Settings. From there, click on Channel, then Feature Eligibility, and lastly, Verify. Verification requires a valid phone number, and for advanced features, a valid ID. So, to recap, creating a YouTube channel for your business involves creating a Google account, choosing a unique name for your channel, and verifying your account to unlock all features. This process allows you to manage multiple channels from one account, keep your personal information private, and access advanced features. In the next video, we'll delve into how to optimize your YouTube channel to ensure maximum engagement and reach. So stay tuned. And if you found this video helpful, why not subscribe to our channel, VED Techie? We have lots more insights on YouTube marketing to share. Thanks for tuning in.